Welcome back, fellow coders. Jared O'Leary here with BootUp. In this video, I want to show you a neat idea. So in a project that is on our website, you can learn how to create a pumpkin carver. So you can press the green flag. You have to click to pick up the carving knife, and then wherever you carve, you'll be able to draw a pumpkin with a goofy eyes, nose, and a mouth. Okay, so pretty cool. There's some neat stuff in here. And in the description below, I show you a walkthrough, a link directly to it that shows you how to actually create this and do all kinds of interesting stuff like creating the template, resetting, adding and stopping music, etc. Okay, so this is pretty cool, but I want to show you a neat idea that's kind of like this project on our website. All right, so the project that I want to show you is called 100% Pen Kaleidoscope Maker, and it is by Isaac SFA. All right, so let's press the green flag and see what happens. Nothing. Pretty cool, right? No, actually, so we have the ability to actually draw kaleidoscopes. So when I start here and I start drawing, you can see all sorts of really cool designs appear on this particular screen. Now, what's neat is I can change the size, so I can make it thinner, or I can even change the color if I want to. Let's see what happens when I do this. Okay, so that's pretty cool, right? So if you've gone through the pumpkin carver and you've created a project like that, and you're looking at this, what I'd recommend doing is trying to figure out how to reverse engineer this to make it so that you can create your own kaleidoscope generator using just the pen like this. So what you'll need to think through is, okay, when we press the green flag, it resets everything. We have our sliders. Whoop, it's not working. We have our sliders, so we can change the size and we can change the color. But when I draw, like let's say in the upper left corner, it also draws in each of the other three corners. And wherever I go, it's moving towards the center with me, or moving away from the center if I move away from the center. Okay? So your goal would be to try and figure out how to reverse engineer this neat idea in your particular project. And if you can't figure it out, don't worry. In the description below, I include a link directly to Isaac SFA's project. So make sure you check that out. And if you have a really neat idea that you'd like us to talk about on our channel, make sure to comment below your project in Scratch. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let us know something that you learned or created in the comments below. And make sure to subscribe, like, and check out the links in the description for even more free resources, such as videos, free lesson plans, and our podcast.